Hello there, welcome back to another video. Today I'm looking at the route between Mirfield and Huddersfield by drone. Starting at Huddersfield Station, it's a Grade 1 listed building with a magnificent front. There are many upgrades planned to the station, including longer platforms, more platforms, and rebuilding of the historic roof and renovation of the historic tea rooms. Huddersfield Viaduct is a Grade 2 listed structure. The main change here is that the whole width will become 4 tracks, where it's currently 2. Fieldhouse Lane Bridge. This bridge was replaced about 18 months ago to provide more clearance for electric trains. The old bridge was about 170 years old. Deaton Station. Major changes include longer platforms, a new loading area, rebuilding of the bridge, and improved accessibility around the station. Eaton Lodge Junction. Changes include replacement of the footbridge, rebuilding of the subway, and sadly the cottages which were previously here have already been demolished to make way for new lines on a less tight curve. Finally, Mirfield Station. There's some major upgrades to accessibility, removal of platform 3, longer platforms and a new entrance.